Climate change is one of the most pressing challenges of our time, and agriculture plays a critical role in both contributing to and combating this global issue. Now, imagine a groundbreaking initiative designed to revolutionize farming practices while simultaneously reducing carbon emissions. That's exactly what the Asian Development Bank, ADB, is working on with its latest project, focused on developing a low-carbon agricultural mechanism for Pakistan. But here's where it gets intriguing. How will this ambitious plan address the complex interplay between economic growth, environmental sustainability, and food security? Let's dive into the details. The ADB has taken up the challenge of reimagining agriculture in Pakistan by proposing a framework that supports environmentally friendly farming techniques. These methods aim to cut down greenhouse gas emissions without compromising productivity or profitability. A delicate balancing act that could redefine how farmers operate in the region. For instance, introducing energy-efficient irrigation systems, promoting organic fertilizers, and adopting crop rotation strategies are just some of the potential measures being explored. Such innovations not only reduce reliance on fossil fuels, but also help preserve soil health and water resources. But why does this matter so much right now? Agriculture remains a backbone of Pakistan's economy, employing nearly 40% of the workforce and contributing significantly to the nation's GDP. However, traditional farming practices often exacerbate environmental degradation through excessive use of chemical inputs and inefficient water management. This new initiative seeks to tackle these issues head-on by incentivizing sustainable practices through financial support and policy reforms. Farmers who adopt greener methods may receive subsidies, technical assistance, or even better access to markets, making eco-friendly agriculture an attractive proposition. To give you a clearer picture, let's look at how this ties into broader market trends within Pakistan. Recent stock market data highlights shifts across various sectors, reflecting investor sentiment and economic activity. For example, companies like DGKC and SCCL have seen notable gains with increases of 10% and 8.42% respectively. On the other hand, some stocks, such as BML and Prima, experienced declines, dropping by -2.75% and -1.83%. These fluctuations underscore the dynamic nature of Pakistan's economy and highlight the importance of aligning agricultural development with long-term stability. And this is the part most people miss. Transforming agriculture isn't just about technology. It's about changing mindsets. Convincing farmers to transition from tried-and-true methods to newer, more sustainable ones requires trust, education, and tangible benefits. It's a cultural shift as much as it is a technological one. Without addressing these human factors, even the best-laid plans risk falling short. Of course, no discussion about climate initiatives would be complete without acknowledging differing viewpoints. Some critics might argue that prioritizing low-carbon agriculture could slow down immediate economic progress by diverting funds away from high-yield crops or industrial expansion. Others might question whether small-scale farmers can truly afford to implement these changes without substantial external aid. What do you think? Should governments focus on rapid economic growth first, or should they prioritize sustainability even if it means slower progress in the short term? As we watch the ADB's project unfold, one thing is certain. The outcomes will shape not only Pakistan's agricultural future, but also serve as a model or cautionary tale for similar efforts worldwide. So share your thoughts below. Do you believe low-carbon agriculture is the way forward, or are there bigger priorities we should consider?